how you doing? It's Miss C, and baby, you are in the place to be, and where that is, right here on Miss C's Corner. Hey, I promised y'all that I would show y'all how I make my homemade paninis without a panini press, okay? Because I don't have one, but I do have me a George Foreman grill. Now, also, I need y'all to pay attention because today I will be sneaking in somewhere in this video my second giveaway winner. And once I give all my giveaway winners, I will let y'all know how to claim your prize. But I want for everybody to know who won first, so I only have to give it out one time. So if you are already a giveaway winner, just hold on, stay patient. I'm gonna get all the winners on one accord, and we will do things in decency and order, just how the Lord like it. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to plug up my mini George Foreman grill. By the way, before we get started, neighbor, how is you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I know you're supposed to get this video on Thursday. I'm sorry. Your girl been busy. God is in the blessing business, and more streams of income is coming in, more wonderful, beautiful opportunities, y'all. And it's just it's getting kind of hectic. It's getting kind of hectic, but it's a blessing though. So your girl ain't complaining. So let's make these tasty sandwiches so we can go do a mukbang time, neighbor. Okay. So I got my George Foreman grill. It's heating up. I have me 2 hoagie rolls. Hoagie. Right here. Should that be the thumbnail? Yeah, and if you hear that, it's thundering out here. So I'm working while it's storming. So I'm going to just put them 2 little hoagie rolls on top of there. And I have right here, you can make your paninis at home however you like. I'm using American cheese. Yellow American cheese is orange, but they call it yellow at the grocery store. And some Black Forest honey ham, something like that. And then I just have a little butter to butter my bread. Y'all ready to get started? Y'all ready to get started? Let's make us some paninis, okay? Let's see if my butter has softened up. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do is take some butter. Should I put the stuff in there first? This is my first time, y'all. Okay, it's already ready. Let me see. I'm gonna just open my bread up. This thing getting hot. You hear it popping and percolating? Okay. I'm gonna just open my bread up. And I'm gonna put some cheese out there, y'all. It's gonna be cheesy. I might just need to use two pieces on each one. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna take this ham and I'm gonna fold it up long ways like that. And I'm gonna close it up. Now this would make a wonderful Cuban sandwich, but I don't want to put the pickle on here because I don't want everything to get all moist and stuff. Finger on the butter. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is spread the butter on the bread. Woo! Ooh, yeah, this gonna be so good. This gonna be so good. I just had this thought. I was like, I got a George Foreman grill. I don't have no panini maker, but I got me some butter. I got me some bread. Stop jumping off there. And I'm gonna do it up. Okay. That's one part of the sandwich buttered. All right. Yeah. Oh, this gonna be so good. I just didn't want to touch the butter. Because then I might have to lick my finger again. But I might have to just to put it down. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all hear it. And I'm gonna butter the other side. I wanted both of them to be ready. But I'll spend a little time with your neighbor. I'll do one at a time. Smell good. And what I'm gonna do is put it on the grill marks. And I will cover it up. Neighbor, you hear that? I'm getting butter everywhere, but it's alright. Give me that butter love. Give me that butter love. Y'all remember that song? That's why I'm an R&B head. Out there, my R&B lovers. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, wee. Okay, so while that one doing this thing, let's go and bust this one down like a cigarillo. And we're gonna do the same thing. Put a little cheese on the top of the bread, cheese on the back. Get my little piece of cheese. Ooh. Alright. Get that ham. Ooh. My knife trying to get away. Put that ham on in there. Ooh. Close it up. Now, yes, the George Foreman grill has the little tray thing that go under there, but yeah, I don't know where it is. But I ain't gonna worry about it. Let me see. Come out sandwich. It's gonna be so good. And show the little bottom of the bread a little love. Most people forget about the bottom of the bread. Thank you, love. You are the besties. Big Daddy found it, y'all. Ain't that sweet? fall. Okay. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good. So what I'm gonna do is open it up. Slide. Oh, that looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. So let me go and put this one on there. Put the rest of this butter. You hear that delectable smackable? You hear that crunchiness on that bread, babe? Now let's check this one. See how it's looking. Okay, okay. It ain't burnt. It can be a little more crispy. Ooh. Get on down your hand. I'm just hold it a little bit. Add a little pressure, okay? That's how you know if something real or not when the pressure come into play. Okay? Can I get an amen, somebody? Because in life, you're going to go through some things, okay? But if it don't kill you, it only make you stronger. Sometimes we just got to be tested to see what's really in us. Are you really good or you really bad? Are you really sweet or you really sour? We don't know until we get to the middle. We don't know, neighbor, until we get to the middle. But I know one thing, these emojis, okay, about to be so good. So if you're not subscribed to Miss C's Mukbangs, okay, baby, you better go get subscribed if you want to see me eat these sandwiches. So Miss C, just like on this channel, Miss C Mukbangs. That's MUKBANGS. Okay, neighbor? Because your girl about to have these good old homemade paninis with some Doritos and a big fat juicy pickle. And my favorite tea, y'all. So while I'm waiting for my delicious sandwiches to finish cooking, I want to announce the winner. And my next winner is Miss Crystal Davis. Your name will be right here, my love. Thank you so much, boo, for loving on me, supporting me, being there to watch my videos in season and out of season, okay? Okay? And I just thank you for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And it's your turn to be blessed, boo. So know that you are a winner. You already saw your name. Woo woo. And like I say, after I pick my other three winners. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, I will be announcing how I will you can claim your prize. Alright? Cool. You cool, I'm cool, we cool. Let's do this. Alright. So my sandwiches are done. Well, I know that first one is. For sure, that first one is done. Oh, that sounds so good. I don't even want to take them off the grill. Okay, but I am going to turn off this heat though. And you will see me on Missy Mukbangs, because your girl is into tear these homemade paninis up on the small George Foreman grill, neighbors. So I'm gonna let that keep doing this little thing, and when you see them again, it's gonna be time to grub. So thank you for joining me, Missy, in the place to be. Hey, and where that is, right here on Missy's Corner. Hey, on Missy's Corner. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Say like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, and subscribe, neighbor. And I'll see you next time on Monday.